Today we're going to talk about the differences between the globe, heliocentric model, and the flat earth model. They are two completely separate models. Don't get them confused with each other. This is not the flat earth model. This is a representation of the flat earth model created by heliocentrics to confuse you and make it into a joke, because this is not the actual model, and I'll show you what it really is. So on that last example, you could see how the heliocentric model, the globe model, and the firmament flat earth model are intertwined with each other, and there's both beliefs in the same system. That is not correct. They're two separate. So here is the flat earth model. There's a firmament. The stars, the moon, and the sun are all inside of the firmament. Outside of the firmament is waters from above and below. So on this flat earth model, everything that we know is inside of the firmament. The sun, the moon, the stars are all inside the firmament. And the planets on the flat earth model are very different than they are on the heliocentric model. On the flat earth model, the planets are luminaries, they're wandering stars, they're sources of light. They are not landable surfaces like Earth is. On the flat earth model, Earth is the only realm. It's the only planet-like realm that there is to exist. So on the globe model, space is outside of the globe. On the flat earth model, space is inside of the firmament. Going to the globe model now, all of this is completely different than the flat earth model. This is heliocentrism, where the sun is in the center, it's the biggest, and all of the other planets revolve around the sun. This is heliocentrism. This is a flat earth model, completely different. On the heliocentric globe model, they say that the sun is 93 million miles away from Earth. Everything revolves around the sun, and it's way larger than every other planet, including Earth. On the flat earth model, the sun and the moon are local. They're both their own sources of light. The moon is a lesser light than the sun, and they illuminate as a spotlight on a certain area in a fixed position, and they move around as like a spotlight in order to illuminate a certain area at a certain time. And we all know that on the globe model, the moon is a rock that the sun is shining on to illuminate it. So it's not its own light on the globe model. One of the biggest differences on the globe versus the flat earth is water. So on the globe, you could see that water is 360 around it, sticking to a ball that's spinning. There's no container holding the water, and gravity holds it in. On the flat earth model, our Earth's surface is extremely vast, and it does not curve. It's stationary, flat, and water is always flat and level on the flat earth model. But water still is level and flat on this model, don't forget. The globe model spins and moves, and all these motions are happening. Flat earth is stationary, completely not moving, and the stars, sun, and the moon rotate around Earth. So yeah, those are some of the key differences between the two models, and let me know if you would like a part 2 on this.
The Hard Giant, YouTube.
Alright, well, NASA released some amazing images. Let's check it out, shall we? So this is a little older image, but I wanted to show it anyway. I just love the galaxies in it, and it's just an incredible image. Like, all this is just really amazing. Next is our new image that they just released from the James Webb Telescope. So this is the image. Yeah, it's just a little pattern going on here. 6, no big deal. Yeah, so it's just really amazing, all of the detail and all of the galaxies, and it's just copy and paste is a really amazing thing. Here's another one from James Webb. Yep, okay, and yeah, love it, love to see it. My personal favorite is the finale of the James Webb Telescope. I just love that it's so real that it looks fake. Space, of course. I'm gonna take their word for it. $10 billion to take those pictures. So just for reference, this Hubble telescope image that we have here, we paid $10 billion to do this. So just brighten it up a little bit. $10 billion to change the colors and brighten it up. Here's one more time so you can see. And then if you just scroll down on the article, the Webb can look back into time, into the Big Bang, just after the Big Bang happened, looking into galaxies far away. It took light billions of years to get there. Is anyone else just tired of it? One more thing. Hubble observed the universe 450 million years after the Big Bang. Okay. A lot of people that I know have been reposting this, so I thought, let me check the Facebook and just see the comments under it. I'll show you 2 top comments that there are. The significance of our existence is insignificance. That's The top comment on NASA's images is, what people get out of this is that we're insignificant. One more, top comment. Beautiful, but we are a speck. They have reached their goal, is what they're doing. Is the Earth flat? Oh, is the Earth a globe? Interesting. Is NASA a bunch of liars?